Hey guys, how are you doing today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. Having a wonderful day. Welcome to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Who am I? I'm Eva Kabi. I'm a lady from Kenya and I'm based in the Middle East, a country called Bahrain. Here in this channel, I'm a newbie, so let's say I'm a newbie, so please bear with me for my mistakes, and I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I hope so. I have faith I'm doing the right thing. Here I'll be talking my life journey as a kadama and also sharing my experience, what I have passed through, the challenges, the lifestyle, the motivations, goals, and beauty, and many more. I'll be uploading once a week, so remember to subscribe so when I upload my next video you'll be the first to watch. And I hope you stay tuned. Turn on the notification bell somewhere there and stay tuned. Remember, Happy New Year. May God guide you and bless you as you start a new journey and also as you close an old chapter of your life. Remember to have faith in everything because God's time, it's the best. So stay tuned. See you in my next video.